Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I'm working on a 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser, and I want to show you something very basic. We're going to be replacing the mirror marker bulb socket. It's going to be super simple. I can do it, you can do it too. If you need any parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks. Okay, so here we go. Safety first, okay? This is very basic, but you always want to be safe. You want to wear eye protection, hand protection, okay? This right here is glass, so you want to be super careful. I like to use something like painter's tape, or pretty much any kind of tape will actually work. Painter's tape's great because it comes off very easily. But what this is going to do is when we're pulling on the glass or the mirror, if God forbid something ends up breaking or cracking or chipping, hopefully this is going to protect it or protect us from the pieces coming off and potentially hurting us, okay? This is super important. You want to make sure that you're safe, all right? Next, what we're going to do, we're just going to grab our glass, tilt it up, grab from the bottom, pull it out like that, and then it slides right out. What happens is you've got this right here, those hold on to that. Right up here, there should be little hooky-doos that go underneath here. This one's actually missing them apparently, but it also has the little clips that go along the sides right here into there. So it's got pretty much everything except for the little hooky-doos. All you're going to do, reach in, turn that to the left, pull this out. Here's our bulb. Grab it, pull it out. This is a 194 NA. The NA just stands for colored, okay? It's an amber bulb. All right, so if you wanted to replace it and you wanted to go with an amber bulb, 194 NA. If you want to go with a white bulb for some reason, it would just be a regular 194. So there we are. Let's go ahead and replace that. Okay, so now that we've got the bulb out of the way, we've got a clear view of our socket and the pigtail right here. What we want to do is grab this little tab right here with our thumb, squeeze it in, give this a little wiggle, and it should separate. Grab onto it. There we are. We always check our pigtails to make sure that we don't have any funny colors in there. Rainbow colors inside electrical connectors are bad. You want to make sure you have metal. That looks great. I'll set this aside. And here we have our socket. You can look in there. Make sure you don't have any broken prongs. Make sure it's nice and metal. It's not green or blue or brown or full of water. Look in this side. Same thing. This one right here looks as though it's good enough to put back in, so I'm going to go ahead and do it. If you needed to replace it, easy peasy. Just grab your new one, go like this. All right, we got a new one. Just going to take it, put my little tab into where the lock goes. Listen for a click. There it is. Nice little tug. All right, on to the next step. Okay, so now we're on to the next step. We're going to put our bulb inside the socket. Just like that. We've got our gasket still on there. That keeps moisture out of the lens. Super important. Now what we'll do, we'll just take this. I'm going to start all the way from the left. Now I'm just going to push it down. Just like that. Easy peasy. On to the next step. All right, so now to install the glass, what you would want to do, if your glass itself has the little hooky-doos right here, there should be two of them. If yours does have that, you need to put the top in first, which I'm going to do anyway. Just like that. So essentially the hooks are going to go inside here. And then once they're inside where they're happy, I'm just going to, this would be easier if it did have the hooks. Just go ahead and push the glass. Cool. There we are. I'm going to go ahead and remove this tape. Let's see. Bring that over. Off we go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.